Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Taking screenshots is super handy for saving info or sharing visuals, and Windows 11 makes it easy with their built-in tool. Not only can you capture your entire screen, but you can also grab just a specific part of it. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows 11 PC. Let's go. To take a quick screenshot of your entire screen, just press the Windows and Print Screen keys at the same time. You can find the screenshot saved as a PNG file in your Pictures folder under Screenshots. If you need more flexibility with your screenshots, try the Windows Snipping tool instead. You can find it by searching the Start menu, or just press Windows plus Shift plus S for a shortcut. This handy tool gives you 4 different screenshot modes. Click the arrow down menu in the floating bar, and choose Rectangle to select a specific area to capture. The window capture, on the other hand, is ideal if you only want to grab one window on your screen. This is especially useful if you have split your screen into multiple windows. Similar to the print screen shortcut, you can also set the snipping tool to full screen to capture everything on your active display. Finally, select freeform if you want to draw your own unique shape around the content you want. Once you've snapped your screenshot, it's automatically copied to your clipboard, so you can simply press Ctrl-V to paste it into your document or send it to a messaging platform. You can also click the screenshot in the notification panel on the right side of your screen to edit or make changes to the image. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.